up and running straight. She want roll with bad man.
Yeah, man, I come next week, man. I come next week. Yeah, man. See you later, man. Yeah. See you later. Yes. So grandson, how was church?
Church was good, grandfather. Church was good.
Yeah, man. I saw church good all the time.
Yes, we're ready now, grandfather, for go home.
Ah, Sister Gwen. Long time I don't see you. I don't see you long time, Sister Gwen.
Grandfather, come now, man. Where you go now? Me ready.
All right, grandson. I'm ready now. I'm ready now, grandson. I'm ready. I'm ready. Ah, to pastor. What, pastor? Here.
Grandfather, you just passed a while ago.
Grandson, don't worry yourself, grandson. Don't worry yourself. I'm ready now, grandson. I'm ready. I'm ready. Ah, shit.
Where you go now, man? Now where man go? Grandfather, come now, man.
Yes. Grandson, how you man look so?
Grandfather, I'm hungry. I'm ready to come out of the car. I can talk to people. You don't just see them in a church. I'm hungry.
You know you're ungrateful, eh? Pastor, pray for you go. Pastor, pray for you come. I look for your mouth. You're still hungry, eh?
But grandfather, that's a prayer, grandfather. That's no food.
What? Not tell me no backside. You still make me a cuss. Minister left church, you know, eh? Boy, you hungry. Boy, you hungry. Oh shit! Hold on. Next week. Make sure we see you next week.